Hello folks, so now just going to be a quick word for me. Christmas is rapidly approaching and I'm here with Charlie the Exploring Hound. We're down on the beach at Gadrivi folks, and it's absolutely beautiful down here. It's windy but the sun is out, and as you can see we're wrapped up warm folks. But just wanted to post a quick wish to all my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for supporting Two Wheel Exploration folks. It really has made a hell of a lot of difference this year, and I still can't believe the amount of subscribers that we've got folks. It's just great, but always a bit more room for improvement. So if anybody else wants to subscribe, then please do. But from me here in 2025, I will just bid you a Merry Christmas, and I think we're getting to the point now where operations are going to shut down for Christmas folks, and just wanted to wish you a happy Christmas and a very happy new year. So cheers folks, thank you.